Biggest megaprojects in the world. Due to continuous advancements in technology and machinery, as well as new ways and methods of construction, the size and scope of what builders are able to create has swiftly increased. The world's largest building projects are currently under construction all around the planet and even beyond. Megaprojects present a unique set of problems ranging from bureaucratic red tape to public opposition to the construction project management. These challenges come with large-scale enterprises. Here are 10 of the world's largest construction projects now under development, ranging from unimaginably massive airports to man-made rivers and so on. Let's start. Number 10. London CROSSRAIL Project. In addition to completing 26 miles of tunnel that will eventually connect 40 stops, the world's first subterranean railway system is continuing to expand. According to current estimates, construction is expected to cost $23 billion. The project is supposed to be done in stages, with the first new line, the Elizabeth Line, set to open in 2019. Then the other lines will be added over the next few years. Number 9. Beijing Airport, China. When it comes to cost, total square miles and passenger and plane capacity, Beijing International Airport will eventually surpass Dubai's Al Maktoum International Airport in the future. The first section of the airport was finished in time for the 2008 Summer Olympics. The completion of the remaining expansion is slated for 2025. Terminal 1 was designed by Zaha Hadid, an architect who has won many awards. A number of sustainable design ideas will be used in a future building envelope. Number 8. CHUO Shinkansen, Japan. The linear CHUO Shinkansen, as it is officially known, is Japan's newest high-speed rail line that will transport passengers from Tokyo to Nagoya, a distance of 286 kilometers, in 40 minutes at speeds of up to 505 kilometers per hour. The completion of this section of the high-speed rail line is scheduled for 2027. A later phase will see the line extended all the way to Osaka. The Tokyo-Nagoya line will be underground for about 86% of its length, requiring massive extensive tunnel construction. This magnetic levitation, also known as maglev train, is the fastest train in the world, traveling at speeds of up to 300 miles per hour. Number 7. The Great Man-Made River Project, Libya. In 1985, work began on the Great Man-Made River (GMR) project, which is the world's largest irrigation project. It has been in development since then. If the project is completed, which is estimated to be around 2030, it will irrigate more than 350,000 acres of land, considerably boosting the supply of potable water in most of the country's municipalities, with up to 6.5 million cubic meters of water being generated per day when fully operational. The subsurface Nubian sandstone aquifer system, which will be fed by a large pipeline system, will provide the river with its water. There's a goal for the project: build the world's longest network of underground pipes and aqueducts. When the project is done, it will be more than 1,750 kilometers long. Number 6. Jubail 2, Saudi Arabia. It has been more than 22 years since the start of building on Jubail 2, a planned industrial metropolis in Saudi Arabia's northwest region. It was announced in 2014 that the second phase of the project, which has been named the world's largest civil engineering project, would begin in 2014. The project is expected to cost $11 billion. In addition to 100 industrial plants and miles of railways, highways, and roads, Jubail 2 will include a water desalination plant, one of the world's largest, and an oil refinery with a crude oil production capacity of 350,000 barrels per day when it is fully operational, which is expected to be sometime in 2024. Throughout the height of the season, more than 20,000 construction workers are on the job at any given time, with more than 10,000 employees on the job at any given moment during the off-season. Number 5. California High-Speed Railway, California, USA. Despite its immense size and wealth, the United States has fallen well behind Europe and Asia when it comes to high-speed rail systems, and this has been the case for quite some time. It is possible that things are about to change because the California High-Speed Rail project, which has been in construction since 2015 and is slated to be completed in 2029. In addition, the all-electric bullet train, which will be fueled entirely by renewable energy and capable of gaining speeds of up to 200 miles per hour, would connect 8 of the state's 10 most populous cities. For a long time, it was anticipated that the project would cost $33 billion. Cost overruns have plagued the project, and the final bill is now expected to reach at least $100 billion, rather than the original $33 billion estimate. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe to this channel to stay tuned for new videos. Number 4. South-North Water Transfer Project, China. With a population of about 1.5 billion people, China is the most populous country on the planet. In spite of the fact that the northern areas of China are home to over half of the country's population, the region only possesses approximately a 20th of the country's total water resources. China is now building 3 massive canals, each of which is more than 600 miles long, to transport water to the country's northern areas in order to meet the demands of such a vast population. The project is extremely intricate, and it is estimated to take 48 years to complete, so to say it is complicated would be an understatement. Once completed, the about $80 billion project will provide residents of the North Hemisphere with 44.8 billion cubic meters of water per year once it has been completed, according to estimates. Number 3. DUBAILAND, Dubai, UAE. Other megaprojects that will call Dubai home include DUBAILAND, which is anticipated to cost $64 billion and will be the greatest entertainment complex the world has ever seen. DUBAILAND is just one of the megaprojects that will call Dubai home. Around 3 Walt Disney Worlds might be incorporated into the 278 square kilometer complex. It is expected to comprise theme parks, sports stadiums, and other athletic facilities, as well as educational and scientific attractions, ecotourism attractions, and hotel rooms, among other things. When completed, the project will include the world's largest hotel, which will have 6,500 rooms, as well as a shopping mall encompassing 10 million square feet of space. There have been multiple setbacks along the way for the construction megaproject, which was first proposed in 2003, but has been delayed for more than 5 years due to a variety of factors, including the worldwide economic downturn in 2008. Forecasts say that DUBAILAND will open its doors to the public sometime between now and the year 2025. Number 2. The International Space Station in space. The International Space Station ISS, which has been continuously occupied since the year 2000 by a rotating crew of astronauts from more than a dozen countries across the world, is the largest man-made structure ever built in space and is the world's largest space station. It boasts 2 bathrooms, a fully complete gym facility, and a bay window that extends around the entire room. The International Space Station ISS, which orbits the Earth every 90 minutes from a height of 248 miles above the planet's surface, will cost more than $60 billion to build when it is completed. With a planned expansion which might include use as an off-Earth colony, the overall cost of the project could reach more than $1 trillion. Number 1. Al Maktoum International Airport, Dubai, UAE. Construction megaprojects are nothing new in Dubai, United Arab Emirates, which has been home to the Burj Khalifa since it was completed in 2009, and is currently the world's tallest building, the Burj Khalifa. The fact that a location with a history of large-scale construction projects would have an airport to match is only natural. Al Maktoum International Airport is the world's largest construction project currently under construction, and it takes the top honors in this category. The megaproject, which spans more than 21 miles and has a cost of $32 billion, has entered an expansion phase and will cost an additional $3 billion. Despite the fact that a completion date has not been set, the new airport will be capable of handling up to 200 large passenger planes simultaneously and accommodating upwards of 200 million passengers per year once it's completed. An estimated $82 billion is expected to be spent on a mega project that includes the airport as well as other things. What do you think about the video? Please let us know in the comments area below, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe to this channel to stay tuned for new videos. Thanks for watching.